Hello my viewers, have you ever wanted to change your name on Facebook but didn't know how to do it? Or maybe you were worried about messing it up? Well, today I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to change your name on Facebook, and it is easier than you might think. By the end of this video, you will know how to update your name in just a few minutes and avoid common mistakes that can cause problems with Facebook approval process. Make sure to stick around because I have got some helpful tips at the end that could save you from unnecessary delay. I am Bajepade Rohim from Badge Guide, so let's get started. Let's start with the first step: how to access Facebook settings. First thing, let's open the Facebook app. If you are using the desktop version, the process is similar, but I will stick with the mobile app for now. So once you have logged in, look for the three lines in the top right corner. That is the menu. Go ahead and tap on it, and now scroll down a little to find settings and privacy. Click on it and then tap settings. In the setting menu, tap account center. After that, tap profiles, then tap your account, then tap name. Here is where the magic happens. You will see your current name, and right next to it you will notice an edit button. Tap that to start changing your name. Now here is where you will enter your new name. You have got three fields here: your first name, middle name, and your surname. Go ahead and enter your new first name, middle name, and surname. Facebook will automatically show you a preview of how your name will look once you save it. This is a good time to double check everything before confirming it. Once you are happy with your new name, scroll down and tap on Review Change. Facebook will ask you to re-enter your password for security reasons. This is just to make sure it is you making the change. Now that you have re-entered your password, tap on Save Changes. Your new name is officially updated. Wait, before you rush to change your name, here is a few things to keep in mind. 1. Facebook will only allow you to change your name once every 60 days. So make sure you are really happy with your new name before confirming it. 2. Don't use symbols, random letters, or make up fake names. Facebook system won't approve those. 3. If you are trying to use a nickname or something that doesn't match your official documents, Facebook may reject it. Whether you are using the mobile app or the desktop version of Facebook, the process is pretty much the same. The main difference is that on desktop, you will click on the small downward arrow in the top right corner, then go to settings and then follow the same steps to change your name. Before you go, here is a quick pro tip. If you are changing your name for reasons like marriage, nickname, or a professional name, and you still want people to see your full name, consider adding an alternative name in the About section instead of changing your primary name. This way, your friends can still search for you using your real names while you are showing your professional or nickname on your profile. Alright, that is how you change your name on Facebook. Simple, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. Do you have any question or run into problems? Drop them in the comment below and I will be sure to help you out. If you want more helpful tutorials like this one, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.